Welcome to CCN TV News, your premier source for local and international news. From the streets of Kingston to the capitals of the world, we are ready to cover you stories that shape our world. Stay tuned for breaking news. He's loud, he's bold, and he's always dressed like the spotlight was made just for him. Oral Tracey, aka the Maverick, is not your average sports commentator. With his signature sharp tongue and eye-catching suits in every color of the rainbow, he's turned every sports segment into a stage and himself into a legend. But behind the flashy jackets and viral opinions lies a story you've never heard. A story of resilience, reinvention, and representing the people. How did a man so controversial become Jamaica's most beloved and most criticized sports voice? What drives him to speak so boldly and dress so fearlessly? And why do thousands of Jamaicans tune in, not just for what he says, but what he wears? This is the Maverick Exposed. And today, we will expose a side of Oral Tracey that the mainstream media doesn't show. The journey, the struggles, and the impact that name him Jamaica's most beloved sports commentator. Oral Tracey didn't start out with a silver mic in his hand. Like many Jamaicans, his roots are grounded in humility, hard work, and ambition. Though there's limited public information about his upbringing, one thing is certain. Oral carved his own path through sheer personality and a love for sports. He first gained widespread attention on TVJ, where his weekly commentary segments were unlike anything to the public had seen before. His sharp tongue, clever metaphors, and refusal to go with the crowd made him a standout in traditional Jamaican media. He was refreshing, funny, and often brutally honest. This style would later become his brand. The name Maverick didn't come by accident. Oral Tracey embraced a title that reflects what he truly is, a nonconformist, a man who walks his own path, speaks his own truth, and doesn't follow trends. Whether on the commentary on TVJ or on his YouTube channel, Oral used his voice not just to recap games, but to challenge sporting authorities, criticize poor performances, and hold national sports figures accountable. Some loved it, others hated it, but no one ignored it. He wasn't trying to be politically correct. He was trying to be real. And in an era of scripted TV and media spin, that authenticity made him a household name. So, what exactly makes Oral Tracey different from other commentators? First, it's his humor. Oral has a way of sprinkling laughter into even the most serious commentary, from comparing football tactics to domino games, to calling out athletes with Jamaican style wit. He always knows how to entertain. Second, it's his fearlessness. When others stay silent, Oral speaks up. When others speak softly, Oral raises his voice. And third, perhaps most importantly, it's his fairness. Despite the controversy surrounding some of his statements, many fans argue that he doesn't play favorites. He calls it as he sees it, whether you're a young athlete, a coach, or a federation boss. In a letter to the editor published in The Gleaner, one fan called him one of the most fair and honest presenters in Jamaica's media history. That's no small compliment. With the rise of social media and YouTube, Oral Tracey didn't fade into the background. He evolved. His channel, Oral Tracey Maverick, quickly became a go-to spot for fans wanting real talk about reggae boys, track and field, West Indies cricket, and even a little bit of politics. His recent uploads like "We Still Love Cricket, you know," and "Reggae Boys Need the Speed" garnered thousands of views within hours. Viewers love that they get to hear from someone who isn't reading from a script. And on Instagram, he keeps it equally raw. Whether he's announcing new projects, clapping back at critics, or just sharing funny takes, Oral gives fans access to the unfiltered version of himself. With great honesty comes great backlash. Oral Tracey is no stranger to controversy. His outspoken views on Jamaican athletes, coaches, and even fellow journalists have caused friction over the years. But this tension is part of his charm. He doesn't aim to please. He aims to be authentic. Some say he's too harsh. Others say he's exactly what Jamaica needs, a media figure who doesn't back down or bow to pressure. And here's the thing, despite the critics, his following continues to grow. That's the power of credibility. In the eyes of many Jamaicans, Oral Tracey represents the voice of the people. While known for sports, Oral Tracey isn't confined to it. He often touches on broader social and cultural issues, from politics to public behavior. Sometimes it's satire. Sometimes it's a heartfelt plea. But it always comes from a place of deep care for Jamaica. He even once expressed interest in becoming a recording artist, showing the world that his creativity isn't limited to commentary. Whether it's making predictions for the Olympics or expressing frustrations about poor governance in sports, Oral uses his platform to start conversations that matter. So, what's Oral Tracey's legacy? He has redefined what it means to be a sports commentator in Jamaica. He brought personality, unpredictability, and truth-telling to a space that often played it safe. You may not always agree with him, but you can't deny his impact. He's made people care. He's made people talk. And most importantly, he's made people think. In many ways, he's not just a commentator. He's a cultural figure.